Do you know the impact of abnormal oil pressure on a chiller? Oil pressure ensures that lubricating oil, driven by the oil pump, overcomes flow resistance as it flows through the system's piping to various working parts. If the oil pressure is insufficient, the chiller's lubrication system will not be able to provide sufficient lubrication and cooling oil, and even the power required to operate the energy-regulating device will be affected. Therefore, the oil pressure in the chiller's oil system must be maintained within a reasonable range. See the corresponding table for details. Only when the oil pressure is normal can the unit's moving parts be adequately lubricated and cooled. What are the common causes of low oil pressure in a refrigeration unit? These include a damaged oil gauge, clogged oil lines, excessive clearance in the oil pump, and excessive refrigerant in the oil.